now 85 years old, 85 plus. I am living in Bangalore. About 60, I got my wife also, and then my two children also. One is boy and another is a girl. Doctor, he only found out that there is a problem in my heart. Then they changed it in previously first electrocardiogram he tried. Then echocardiogram he found out that some problem is there. I can only walk a little slow, it has become, that's all. So nothing else. So I am giving only two medicine. Only is some two medicine I am able to walk and all that. I think I have become a little slow, that's all.
So TAVR is a reasonably simple procedure, at least to explain. That is, through an artery in the groin, the valve is taken up to the desired position and it is released there and it sticks there. And as soon as the valve is released, it starts functioning like a normal heart valve and the circulation is established. It's typically a short procedure.
In 2006, we went for a general checkup. That time, treadmill had a problem. So the doctor advised the one who was doing the treadmill, helping him. He said, you have a heart problem, you have to go to the doctor, cardiologist. Actually, he didn't have any symptom. He said, I am fine, why should I go to... He didn't want to go to general checkup only, it was because of my son he went. That was almost 2006 to 2019 that was working. 19, he didn't have a problem actually. What is the problem with my husband is he never complains. If he has any problem, he doesn't want to say that he has a problem. Or whenever you ask him, he says, I'm fine. He's not able to walk, you have to do a CT scan. So CT scan was done. From that he found out this valve is not working properly. So he said his valve has to be replaced. It will not be another open heart surgery. So you don't have to worry, now it's done very easily. Just we insert the valve and then we replace it. So because of the confidence he gave, so he said, yes, when it is necessary, no, everything went well. And he is okay after the operation. Life is going on. As the age grows, you normally will slow down. That slowdown is there. But otherwise, he is fine. We are taking the medicines as prescribed by the doctor. So,